Hey everyone, it's Wilkin from Motorola, and today we'll be unboxing the Edge 60 Pro, the ultimate device in style and comfort. First up, let's unbox and open up the seal on the Edge 60 Pro. Wow, look at that beautiful packaging, plastic-free, recyclable, and printed with soy ink. You also get a USB C-to-C charging and data cable. You also get a quick start guide in the box along with an injection pin tool, and this beautifully colour matched case in this amazing blue hue. Now let's open up and turn on the Edge 60 Pro. You can see here we have our new AI key, giving you quick access to Moto AI. Let's get it turned on. Wow, look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous in Pantone dazzling blue. Beautiful. As you can see, the case clips on easily and colour matched to your Edge 60 Pro. And there we go, ready to go, very quick to set up, letting you choose your favourite themes and apps, and there it is. So firstly, I want to thank you very much for watching. Please leave us a comment and let us know what you think. See you later.
Hello, Moto.